Lately weekend, I explore and focusing with Edge Impulse, which is Edge Impulse is kind of application uh, on the website, so that's can help us to training or doing some classification data specifically for machine learning. And in here I use Xiaoxit BLE, and this on this occasion I will show you how to install CLI, and then how to making connection between the board with the website. Without further ado, let's jump in to how to do that. This way you can also uh, doing with this another board like Arduino or ASP or something board. You're gonna doing some connection into the Edge Impulse, because uh, maybe have a kind of same way, so you can do that. And here I'm trying to find some guide uh, how to doing connection and install ECLI application. So here you see on the Edge Impulse website uh, explain what is CLI. So for short, CLI is uh, framework, or something like that, uh, can make some IP address into your board to doing some connection, because every device have address uh, if want to uh, connect with the internet. So the CLI will doing that. First thing first, we have uh, prepare. There are two applications you have to install: Python 3 and Node.js version 16. But the first step, we have to make a new account to sign up into the Edge Impulse. I has make it new account, so I don't need to make a new account. If you want to making an account, you just go to sign up, and here there are some requirement need to fill in, and yeah, you get a new account. And then we going to create a new project. You create a new project and giving give a name for your project. I will type motion just for example, motion version 1.1. Okay, then creating new project. We will try to collect a new data. You see here there's some option to doing connection with the device. I'm gonna pick this one, connect to your device, but here you see there's some command need to doing if we want to doing connection. You also can adding data from your project before, but here you don't have. So let's back into the guide. The second step is we have to install Python 3. And when you install the Python 3, just going to the website and download it, because the application is free. Just download for the last version. But again here I has installed it for 3.12 version. And next step is we have to Node.js, install Node.js, and also this application is free, so just download according with your operation system. Download and install it. Let's see what next. When we don't with Node.js and Python, of course, also we need to CLI. For CLI program, we gonna install by command prompt or PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator, don't forget it. And for install, we just copy the command from website and try it. I'm gonna copying it, then put in here, and let's see. Oh, you see, there's some problem here. like come across what problem coming from. Let's see what actually happened here. What's going on? I think this error happened causing from C program because basically CLI have some program made with C language, if I'm not wrong. So for that things we need to install Visual Studio application to read it, the framework or the program, uh, for make it work. So I'm gonna download the Visual Studio application and just install it, and hopefully that's all can running in a while. Open Visual Studio official website and just get it last version of application. Yeah, we just downloaded and now we're installing the application. After installation completed, then try to find out desktop development C++. This framework we need to uh, read framework who make in C language base. Just close and yes. Now after installation completed, let's back with installation CLI. Do step same like before and hopefully all be fine. No more issue or problem anymore. Yep, we just complete our task. uh, let's back with Edge Impulse. Next step, we are going to connection board with using forward command. Connection occurs marked by the presence of an IP address. Yeah, that's looking really good. Oh, we get some address here. You see, there is also serial coming up here. And let's jump into the website. I don't know why the board still can't read. Actually, I really don't understand. So I'm trying to just try all command one by one. Hopefully, some good things happen. I don't know why. All looking good, but why the sensor can still can't read? I think I'm little bit understand now. The data sensor can't read because program of Arduino itself. Well, I just doing some mistake. I forgot to uploading the sketch, especially program. So that's make serial don't produce any data. So by the way, we need this program to read the emu sense, and we'll sending the data into the serial. For script, I will put into the description so you can grab it there. Or also you just go to browsing in internet, and you will be find a lot there, definitely. And this is what our data look like. Let's back into the command prompt. We will be asked to provide variable name, also name for board. And yeah, you see, we did it. And we just success to connect and read sensor. Now we can take some sampling data like this, for example. So that's for all, guys. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.